Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is Agentforce Service Agent. The topics we are going to cover today is how to create custom parameters in messaging channel, how to add custom visible field in pre-chart, how to add hidden field in pre-chart, and how to populate the value of hidden field in pre-chart. First, we will create the custom parameters, which helps to map the pre-chart form with the omni-channel flow. Next, we will customize the pre-chart form by adding custom visible fields and hidden fields. Now we will see the practical implementation. Let's go to our arc. To create custom parameters in quick find search for messaging settings, click on messaging settings, click on our channel, in custom parameters click on new and give the parameter name. I'm giving type. This channel variable name is helpful while creating the custom field in pre-chart. Select the data type, string, and give the maximum length. I'm giving 20. Click on save. Click on new. Parameter name is origin. Data type is string. Give the maximum length. Click on save. Parameter name is priority. Data type is string. Maximum length is 20. Next, we will customize the pre-chart form. To customize the pre-chart form, in quick find, search for embedded service deployment. Click on embedded service deployments. Click on our service deployment. Click on edit pre-chart. In the previous session, we have added the standard visible fields, that is first name, last name, and email. Now I am adding subject also, which is useful for my use case. Here we can see origin, priority, and type. Now I want to make this priority field as custom visible field. So to add the custom visible field, click on add, click on custom, and select the field type. Priority is a pick list value. So I'm selecting drop down and give the channel variable name priority. Give the drop down name. I'm giving priority. Give the drop down values. I'm giving low, medium, and high. Click on next. Click on save. Now we have added custom visible field. Next, we will make the origin and type as hidden pre-chart fields. These hidden pre-chart fields are not visible in the pre-chart form, but we can populate the value of hidden pre-chart values by adding the script in Experience Cloud site. Select origin and click on add. Select type and click on add. Click on save. Next, to store the pre-chart field values, we'll create input variables in the omni-channel flow. In the previous session, we have used inbound flow. So I'm opening inbound flow. This is the omni-channel flow. Now we'll create the input variables. Click on new resource. Select the resource type variable. Subject. Data type is text. Available for input. Next one is type. Data type is text. Available for input. Next one is origin. Data type is text. Available for input. Next one is priority. Data type is text. Available for input, and click on that. Now we have created input variables. In the previous session, my use case is when the customer enters the email in the pre-chart form, if the email matches the existing contact, then I displayed the contact's name in the service agent's welcome message. Now, additionally, I want to create a case under the existing contact by using the pre-chart visible and hidden field values. So to create case, add create records element. Create records. Give the label create case. Select manually and select the object case. Here I want to create the case under contact. So select contact ID. Value is contact from get contact dot contact ID. Next subject. Subject. Type. Case type. Select the input variable type. Origin. Case origin. Select the input variable origin. Next one is priority. Select the value input variable priority. Now click on save as new version. Click on save. Click on activate. Next, to send the pre-chart form data to the messaging session, we will do parameter mapping. To do the parameter mapping, in quick find search for messaging settings. Click on messaging settings. Click on our messaging channel. In parameter mappings, click on new and select the parameter subject and select the flow variable name subject. We'll give the flow variable name. Click on save. Next one is type. Origin. priority. Here we didn't publish our embedded service deployment. So publish the deployment. Next, to populate the hidden pre-chart values, we will add the script in Experience Cloud site. So we'll go to Experience Cloud site. In Pickfind, search for digital experiences. Click on all sites. Click on Builder next to our site. Click on Settings. Click on Advanced. Click on Edit Head Markup. Here I have already added the script. To set the hidden pre-chart values, we'll give the field and value. I have already added origin. Now I'll add type. Value of type is I'm giving service. Now click on save. Click on publish. Click on got it. Now we'll open our site URL in incognito window. In the pre-chart form, we have to give the existing contact email. So go to contacts and I'm copying this email. Edna Frank. Click on this messaging icon and I'm giving the email. Give the subject. OS issue. I'm selecting the priority as high. Here hidden fields origin and type are not visible. Click on start conversation. Now the case is created in the backend. So we'll check whether the case is created or not. Open Edna Frank. The case is created. We'll open this case. Here priority is high and type is service. These two are, and origin is web. And we can see the subject also. Subject is OS issue. This is how we can customize the pre-chart by adding custom visible fields and hidden fields. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.